Well, good morning. This is Attorney Daniel Huang, and this is
Hello,
Mara.
good morning.
So we have a breaking news this morning. Actually, the news came out yesterday afternoon regarding DACA application, right? So there is a memorandum that we're holding in our hand. So we were able to review the memorandum, and we'd like to give you, I guess, summary of what they are going to do, right? So let's go over this, okay, really quick, because we don't really have much time, okay? So number one, they decided to reject all initial DACA requests, okay, which includes the Employment Authorization application, right? But those of you who had already filed your application before the memorandum, I'm talking about this initial application, you will get your package back with the refund, okay? So you get it back.
Para las personas que habían ya sometido aplicaciones nuevas, no como renovación, pero como nuevos aplicantes, todas esas aplicaciones van a ser rechazadas. Todo lo que ustedes han sometido con migración, sea el dinero, fotos y también las aplicaciones de permiso de trabajo y de DACA van a ser devueltas a ustedes.
Okay, but remember, those of you who are filing a renewal application, you're okay, okay? They're still accepting the renewal application, but there is a slight changes, okay? And kind of disappointed, but you know, I think there is a reason why they did it 1 year, okay? They only giving you 1 year renewal, okay? Before it was 2 years.
Yeah.
Now they're giving just one, which means that if you get your work permit, they will only give you 1 year to work.
Para las personas que ya habían sometido sus aplicaciones como renovación, que ya han tenido por varios tiempos sus DACAs, estas personas en este momento, los que ya habían aplicado antes de que esta noticia saliera, todavía van a tener beneficio de 2 años con su permiso de trabajo y con su DACA vigente. Pero para las nuevas renovaciones de que se están tomando desde el día de ayer en adelante, solamente van a poder tener el DACA y el permiso de trabajo por 1 año. O sea, de que en vez de renovar cada 2 años, ahora van a estar renovando cada año.
Okay, so now, according to this memorandum, those of you who have filed the renewal application before this memorandum came out, okay, and those of you who had received their approval already, okay, and most likely they'll have given you 2 years, right? So what does that mean? Am I gonna get it, changed, or do I need to, return it so that I could get 1 year? No. So according to memorandum, those of you who had given 2 years prior to the memorandum, they will honor it. So you don't need to worry about it, okay?
Para las personas que ya habían metido las aplicaciones anteriormente, como volvemos a repetir, y que ya tienen los 2 años, no se tienen que preocupar de que les van a quitar el año, aunque ustedes ya sabían de que lo habían sometido la aplicación antes de que esta noticia saliera. Las personas que ya tienen el DACA, que les acaba de venir justamente el día de ayer y dice de que lo tienen por 2 años, no se preocupen de que van a honorar ese tiempo que ustedes tienen con sus DACA.
Okay, now the other one that's been changed is, it says here that reject all pending and future form I-131 application for advanced parole. So those of you who are thinking about filing this advanced parole so they could go out and come back in, like a temporary travel document, it looks like they're rejecting all pending. So if you filed it before, or if you're about to file, don't waste your time.
Yeah.
They're not going to accept it, and they're going to reject it, okay?
Para las personas que habían que habían pedido una salida condicional, en otras palabras, un parol para salir de sus países, todas las aplicaciones que ya tenían, que es la I-131, que estaban pendientes y ahorita muchas personas quieren también mandarlas para ver si pueden salir, todas esas aplicaciones de parol van a ser negadas. La recomendación es de que no salgan, de que aunque las tengan aprobadas, no salgan del país.
Okay, now again, it's, they're talking about pending, all pending and future I-131. So those of you who just received the approval of I-131 advanced parole, I mean, according to memorandum, they will honor it. But my recommendation is, as always, do not go out if you don't need to.
Yeah.
Okay?
Para las personas que ya tenían, digamos, antes de que esta noticia saliera el día de ayer, su parol ya garantizado y también aprobado para salir del país, la recomendación del abogado de migración es de que aunque lo tengan ya aprobado, que por favor no salgan del país. Es una sugerencia nada más.
Okay, now quickly before we end, so what is next? So in my opinion, right, the reason that they did 1 year is because, they need to make sure that they end this program, okay? Because, they decided that this is not gonna run forever. But at the same time, I believe they're working on something more permanent.
Yeah.
Okay, so, regardless of whether, the current administration stays on for the next 4 years, or we have a new administration, there will be a new permanent, system, okay, the replacement that will replace DACA. I mean, look, a lot of people call and say, hey, we're done, DACA is done, what am I going to do? But look, I'm a positive guy. Okay, I'm a very optimistic guy, and I think that they will end DACA eventually, right? We all knew that this is not a temporary thing, but at the same time, they are actively working on something that is more permanent. So if you have DACA, right, you will be in it. Okay. I'm just worried about those who weren't able to, have DACA, or who actually lost their DACA because of convictions, right? So those of you who wants to discuss about your issues, okay, just call us, let us know. You could even email us, okay? And then if you have questions about that, we could actually address that on our next podcast, okay? We want to communicate with you. We want to give you more information as much as we can. At the same time, we want to know what you want to know about immigration. Okay?
Yep. Así es que para las siguientes personas de que tengan preguntas, todo lo que tenga que ver con migración, especialmente DACA, pueden mandarnos un mensaje a nuestra página oficial de Facebook, o nos pueden llamar o mandar un correo electrónico. Y si tienen alguna pregunta que quieren que nosotros hablemos públicamente para todas las personas que nos escuchan y nos ven, lo podemos hacer. Así de que ya saben, nosotros estamos acá y pueden hacer las preguntas, como les digo, por medio de Facebook o por medio de teléfono.
Okay, so remember, think positive, okay? And, there's always going to be an option, okay? So don't be down. This is not a good news per se, but at the same time, it means that there's going to be something different, more permanent, okay? All right, so you have a good day, all right? All right, bye-bye.